გილოცავთ მეგობრებო, დაესწარით მრავალს და რა თქმა უნდა, რაც შეიძლება მეტი რაიდი მინდა გისურვოთ 2024 წელს.
She in the club, she dancing for dollars. She got a thing for that Gucci, that Fendi, that Prada. That BCBG, Burberry, Dolce & Gabbana. She fit the fools' fantasies, they pay her cause they want her. I spit a little G, man, and my gang got her. An hour later, had her ass up in the Ramada. Them trick niggas in the ear saying they think about it. I got the bitch by the bar trying to get a drink about it. She like my style, she like my smile, she like the way I talk. She from the country, think she like me cause I'm from New York. I ain't that nigga trying to holler cause I want some head. I'm that nigga trying to holler cause I want some bread. I could care less how she perform when she in the bed. Bitches that track, catch a date and come and pay the kid. Look, baby, this is simple, you can't see. You fucking with me, you fucking with a PIMP. Girl, we could pop some champagne and we could have a ball. We could toast to the good like we could have it all. We could really spur girl and tear up them all. If ever you need someone, I'm the one you should call. I'll be there to pick you up if ever you should fall. If you got problems, I can solve them, they're bigger than small. That other nigga you be with ain't about shit. I'm your friend, your father, and confidant. Bitch, I told you before, I stick with the tools. I keep a bin, some rims, and some jewels. I holler at a hoe till I got a bitch confused. She got on Payless, me, I got on gator shoes. I'm shopping 50 chillers, and it's some of the cheaper. Man, it's so you can have it when I'm done, I ain't gon' keep it. Look, baby, this is simple, you can't see. You fucking with me, you fucking with a PIMP.